Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we do all the heavy lifting so you don't have to. Today, we're pitting two robotic gladiators against each other in the ultimate clean-off. On the left, we have the iRobot Roomba 694, the seasoned veteran. And on the right, the Roborock Q5 Max Plus, the new kid on the block with a lot to prove. Buckle up because this is going to be one dusty ride. Let's start with the price tags, because, let's face it, we all want to know how deep into our wallets we need to dig. The Roomba 694 comes in at a modest $274. It's like the affordable dinner date who insists on splitting the bill. Meanwhile, the Roborock Q5 Max Plus is priced at a whopping $599. This one's like that fancy restaurant where they don't even list the prices on the menu. You know it's going to hurt, but it's an experience. So if you're on a budget, Roomba's your buddy. If you're feeling flush, Roborock's got your back. Next up, design and navigation. The Roomba 694 boasts a sleek, premium design that's supposed to complement your home decor. Basically, it's the vacuum you'd bring home to meet your parents. With its adaptive navigation and cliff detect, it's like a cat, always landing on its feet and never falling down the stairs. The Roborock Q5 Max Plus, on the other hand, is like the nerdy kid with a PhD in navigation. Thanks to its PresaSense LiDAR system, it creates detailed 3D maps of your home. It's basically the Google Maps of robot vacuums. So if you have a labyrinth for a house, Roborock is your guy. Reviewers love how the Roomba avoids obstacles effectively, while the Roborock is praised for its advanced mapping and navigation technology. Now, let's talk about suction power. The Roomba 694 is like the reliable old vacuum, doing its job with a smile and a song. It's got an auto-adjust cleaning head that adapts to carpets and hard floors. It's like the Swiss Army knife of cleaning. But the Roborock Q5 Max Plus? This bad boy has 5,500 Pa Hyperforce suction power. I'm pretty sure if you dropped a bowling ball, it could pick that up too. Okay, maybe not, but it's definitely the Hulk of vacuums, effortlessly capturing dust, pet hair, and any debris you throw at it. Reviewers find the Roomba 694 effective for everyday cleaning, but they rave about the Roborock's powerful suction, especially for pet owners. Battery life is another crucial battleground. The Roomba 694 runs for up to 90 minutes before it has to go home and recharge. It's like that friend who needs a nap after just one episode of Netflix. Meanwhile, the Roborock Q5 Max Plus can go for a staggering 240 minutes. That's 4 hours, folks! This vacuum is the marathon runner of the robot world. It could clean your house, your neighbor's house, and still have energy left for a victory lap. Reviewers appreciate the Roomba's performance for smaller spaces, while the Roborock is praised for its long-lasting battery life, making it ideal for larger homes. Special features? Oh, we've got those. The Roomba 694 is all about that daily grind. It's got a system of cleaning features and smart sensors that adapt to your home. Plus, it automatically recharges, so it's always ready for action. Roborock Q5 Max Plus is like the Swiss Army knife's older, more sophisticated cousin. It's got a 7-week hands-free cleaning feature with self-emptying dust bags. It's like having a tiny butler. Plus, it syncs with Alexa, Apple Siri, and Google Home. Just say the magic word, and it's off to work. It even comes with a whole bunch of goodies in the box. Dust bags, side brushes, you name it. Reviewers highlight the convenience of Roomba's automated features, while the Roborock is commended for its advanced smart home integration and self-emptying capabilities. Overall, Reviewers find the iRobot Roomba 694 to be a reliable and budget-friendly option for everyday cleaning, especially appreciated by pet owners for its effectiveness in picking up pet hair. However, it does have some limitations like noise and occasional navigation issues. On the other hand, the Roborock Q5 Max Plus is praised for its powerful suction, advanced navigation, and long battery life, making it a favorite for larger homes and those looking for high-tech features. It does come at a higher price point, but many find it worth the investment. So there you have it, folks. If you want a budget-friendly, reliable vacuum that gets the job done, the Roomba 694 is your go-to. But if you're ready to splurge on some serious tech and convenience, the Roborock Q5 Max Plus is the way to go. Let us know in the comments which one you think is the true king of clean. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep it clean. Product links are in the description.